finally got my 3D printer, and when the Amazon guy showed up to my house, he was like, yo, we need a password to give it to you. And I was like, wait, what? Why do you need a password? It turns out for some objects now, they will require you to give a password. I don't know why they do this, but I was very annoyed because the box is heavy, okay? Alright. We're gonna have a long day. But one thing I do hate about these 3D printers is that if you guys have never had one, it takes 2.5 business days just to get the process started, okay? The last one I got, I almost had a meltdown because halfway through, I realized I did the entire thing backwards from top.